आयज मिटींग आशिल्ली सिटी सो कितें डिस्कशन जालां कामां जाल्यार कितें जालां
See, whatever routine meetings we have of the Public Undertaking Committee, especially with some irregularities were discussed, a lot of issues, although I can't discuss these issues as part of being the chairman. But definitely, if we can see the corruption today done by this double engine Sarkar, the way the common man has been looted is shocking. Definitely you will see in the days to come that this will be exposed.
Second thing is that team recently assembly म्हटलेले आमी वाडोवचे still you are talking and hopeful that it will be increased or what it is BSA meeting also.
Definitely this is not only what we said we are hopeful, but the speaker has also said that these 3 days are important days where main म्हणटा ते public आमचे प्रायवेट मेंबर्स बील जे डे आसता प्रायवेट मेंबर्स डे इज एन इम्पॉर्टंट डे फ्रायडे तांकां आमकां बील घालपाक रेजोल्युशन घालपाक एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळटा सिस्टमॅटिकली दीस गव्हर्मेंट हॅज कटेल्ड these 2-3 days. This is nothing but a murder of democracy. Day after is the BSA meeting, and we will highlight to the Honorable Speaker. We have already written. We will highlight that this particular session is to be long. Itle issues are people are dying. There are murders. There are rapes. There are accidents on the roads. In the last particular month, the budget was not discussed and passed. So yes, सगळ्याच जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता की it is shocking to see the way the BJP is looting the people of Goa in the name of events. All these things requires time, and we will ask the Honorable Speaker for that the opposition gives more time, even more number of days.
Which will be the major issue for this 3-day?
No, definitely there are issues like crimes, murders, rapes, law and order situation. Today the sale of Goa that is happening, left, right, center, conversion, this particularly when Goa's carrying capacity is not defined. Assurances that were given to us last several months before, nothing is happening. This is only an event management Sarkar. They are spending lakhs of rupees, almost 45 lakhs per day on an event that is not responsible. People are dying, health sector has collapsed. The financial crisis, रीण जे घेवपाचो प्रयत्न आहा हे वाडत आसा, IDCन स्कॅम वाडला, एम्प्लॉयमेंटाचे इश्यू आसा, बारीक लोक, इन्फ्लेशन, कदंबाचे परिस्थिती जरी तर चयल्यात, रिवर्स आर पोल्युटेड. There are so many issues, but primarily land is the issue, the sale of Goa, the way north, south, east, west. आणि आमी जे पड एक प्रयत्न केला की गोंय विकपाक दिवचें ना, BJPक जिखपाक दिवचें ना हो म्हणतो.
ओके सर, आणि